much, but it's mine.
Your face?
Yeah.
Your beard will protect you.
Hopefully it breaks.
Figure it out.
I'm gonna get some predictions. What's gonna happen?
Well,
It's gonna break.
it's gonna break. Corey, he's gonna do good. He's gonna do good things.
Shit's gonna break.
Good things. Good things.
I mean, I know it ain't much, but it's mine.
Your face?
Yeah.
Your beard will protect you.
That helmet.
Well.
You couldn't pick a better helmet.
Huh?
You couldn't pick a better one.
I didn't want to weigh myself down.
Never.
You look thrilled here.
Remember, you don't have good health insurance.
At least it's warm out.
I can literally see your breath.
I don't see it going well.
I see it going.
I'm throwing that out there.
I'm just throwing it out there. I see nothing happening. And us having to do it again. Harder. All right,
Whatever.
I'm gonna.
It is breaking. I don't care what you say.
Just fucking go.
Woo!
I'm gonna be close. You stay far away.
You're not gonna be that close.
Oh, I gotta get it on camera. So you go over there.
Before the back door, though.
Yeah, but you go over there.
Are these guys gonna get mad and call anybody?
They might, but we'll just release a skunk on them.
Yeah, I did that before.
Come here, Otto.
Totally forgot about the skunk release.
He wants Come over. You didn't tell me that.
That's a surprise. Hey, come down off of it now. You gotta back up though.
Wow, did you hit that?
Yeah, you'll rebound and go right off of it. So babe, can I build the Cherokee into the Plymouth?
Not until it's broke.
Okay.
What is that noise?
That's a heater fan.
Do it again.
That concerns me.
What?
You gotta go to helmet on.
Yeah, I like your helmet better. One more.
Corey,
What else?
your steering's a little yewed.
I can't. I'm gonna drop this if I do that. Because everything in the front is kind of fucked right now.
All right, wow, that's a good shock. All right, I really say you hit that bank right there, right to the right of the big rock pile. You'll literally hit that and you'll land perfectly flat.
I was thinking you'd come down off the top one and you'd rebound and bounce right off the bottom one.
Well, you probably would, but my luck, like the back tires are clipped tonight.
I really say you hit that.
We can hit that, and then we're limping back.
What do you mean? I thought we were towing it on the trailer.
Break it.
It ain't broke.
It ain't broke. Yeah, it still drives good.
Your Snapchat said we're going till it's broken or no more go.
I'm saying it's broken.
You can make it.
Both shocks are broke.
Okay.
Shocks are the only thing holding the axle under Jeep.
Yeah, that'll be all right. You got your springs. You have a helmet on.
Hooked to nothing.
What is that?
They're good.
What about the controller?
Yeah, they'll just rotate down that axle buckle.
See, I think you're
We'll get you home.
You're thinking way too far ahead.
Yeah, if not, you can just leave it here until tomorrow.
Corey!
You're good, hurry up!
Hold on! You good?
Go ahead, my battery's dead.
Oh, you're good.
I'm glad I got that.
Go faster in reverse.
Do that again, we missed it! We missed it, do it again! We missed it, didn't tell anyone!
I got it. I got it.
Hurry up, do it again!
Hey,
Come on, man, I'm done.
Do it again, then we're gonna come contact.
was lame. That was really lame. Corey, your front drive shaft's broken.
I know. I felt it going around. And now I got no brakes at all. We're done. I got no brakes. I go right to the floor.
What's that line?
That's breathing. Where'd I blow brakes out? I got no brakes at all.
Oh, it's gonna get on the trailer on its own power. That's crazy. Cherokees are awesome.
Oh, I blew that line.
Dog tastes like dog.
What the fuck did I break? Oh. That's my dead trailer. Not good enough, dude.
Gage, what do you think of all that craziness? You're gonna... What?
I thought he was gonna flip one time.
Did you?
When he went down the first time.
I got no brakes at all.
J-Dog! I have no.
I wonder why.
Wait till we get over that tire.
It's either shock or brake.
Well,
Can I go?
you can go right down the road.
I really don't think I can. It don't really turn and it don't stop. It makes all kinds of noise.
Oh, you want to stay off the road? I don't know.
That's
Isn't
a swamp. No. That'll work.
Going, Ronnie.
Yeah, that worked good. Fire.
hey, you know what? I
That'll work.
tried.
Good like that. Yep. Give me that.
Sounds like a...
I don't know if it's gonna make the hill, honestly, but it barely brings itself up the hill.
Big enough crevice?
Well, I just stole it off Ronnie's Jeep.
We got some screws. You want to run down through them tires for traction?
What? Exhaust in the face?
Your clutch made more smoke than your muffler.
Yeah, pull off this way.
Brady said that's the dumbest thing you've done. He said, I wouldn't say that.
Wow, that's okay, guys. I'll get it. I know what you're It still got the back one.
Lesson learned, Gage. Get a Cherokee.
Wear a helmet. Don't don't take after me.
You have a helmet.
I know. Because I'm smart.
So what do you want for your first vehicle?
You know who's got another Cherokee? Your mom.
Yeah.
Wait till you turn 16.
So your first vehicle is gonna be what, Gage?
Cherokee.
Cherokee? I don't blame you.